as usual. It's been a very long time since we met. And if things take too long a time to come, then it obviously should come with quality. So you are going to be very lucky today. But I'm going to teach you something you do not even think of. How to lick to some chords, licking to some chords. What do I mean? When short phrases or short notes are combined and are very unique, that is some way, somehow a lick. There are certain unique licks that can readily usher you into certain chords. Yes, this is what I want to draw your attention to. This is a very simple exercise. In case you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do, because we have the best of tuition here. After this lesson too, if you are looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson with me, hey, my telephone number. This is a B major chord. This is one shape of it. That is very popular in jazz. I don't know how many of you have used this one before. Assuming you want to play a chord like this. This is how you can go. Okay. Because I want to land on this chord, the position of the fingers are very important. So I'll start with the pinky at the 8th fret on the 2nd string. So fa, mi, mo, mi. Then I can get the chord. If I want to land on an E minor 7 this chord, I can play this. La, so, fa, mi, fa. So my finger will be ready on the chord. Then I want to go to D major, and I'll start from here. So, fa, mi, re, mi. The mi on the major on the second, the chord, this one, this shape. So, fa, mi, re, mi. Fa, mi, re, di, re. C sharp minor 7 flat 5. This is a half chord. Then so this is all that matters. Just learn to use this and you'll be a step ahead in learning how to play jazz. These are licks that will readily end you on these chords. On F sharp. So something like this. Then you end it with fa, fa, fa. Then after you do, mi, so, ti, re, ti, do, mi, so, ti, re, ti. You see? These are very simple chords, but certain licks will readily usher you into those chords. This is all I want to teach you today. This is a very beautiful song that a legend, known as Obos, taught me some years ago. A very humble guitarist, very humble, and a very good teacher. I didn't spend much time with him, but with the little time that I spent with him, this was one very good exercise he showed me.